This video demonstrates how to request products, services, and answers through your ServiceNow instance. Click an item to go directly to that topic, or continue watching to cover all topics. The ServiceNow user interface is highly customizable, so your experience may differ from that shown in this video, but the concepts are the same. Depending on how your instance is configured and your roles in the system, there are several ways you might request items. For example, here, logged in as Joe Employee, we can make some requests directly from our home page. All of these items can also be accessed through the Service Catalog, a collection of products and services available to the logged-in user, organized by categories in one central location. Depending on its configuration, your Service Catalog may look different from this. Here are the catalog items in the Peripherals category. If an item has a preview link, clicking it provides additional information about the item. We need an external keyboard. The Item Ordering widget displays the price for the item, if applicable, and allows us to select the quantity. We work both at home and in the office, so we'll get 2. Here's the subtotal and the delivery time, 2 days. We could order it now, but we have other requests to make. So let's just add it to our cart. And here it is. The next item we need isn't in this category, so let's go back to the main Service Catalog page. We need to whitelist a range of IP addresses to allow us to interact with services outside our company firewall. For this request, we must provide some information. Required fields are noted with asterisks. The Type Ahead and Lookup features facilitate form completion. Here we provide justification for the request, add the IP address range, and we're done. By the way, if a required field isn't filled in, you won't be able to order the item or add it to your cart. Now both items are listed in our shopping cart. Whitelist IP has no cost. We can review, delete, or edit items in our cart at any time. But we're doing a great job shopping, so let's just continue that. We need to request a new hire package. Not sure which category it's in, but we can search for it. To make sure we search all categories, we should search from the main catalog level. Here it is. It's an order guide, which allows us to order several items through a single Service Catalog request. Here are the things we'll get. Some fields are already filled in with default values, but we can change them if we need to. This is for our new sales guy in New York. Some fields, like this one, display additional fields depending on their value. We make our selections and go on to the next tab. And here we provide an email address and go on. The VPN account doesn't require any information or choices. If we need to go back to a previous tab or the first page, we click one of these buttons. We're almost done. Here's our shopping cart. We just verify that everything is correct. We could make changes at this point if necessary, but it all looks fine, so let's check out. The Order Status screen confirms that our request has been submitted. Here's the request number, which we could click to review the request. The Stage field lists and tracks the status of the tasks in the corresponding request fulfillment workflow, which varies from one item to the next. Here are the tasks for these 2 items. After placing an order, you may be able to track it here on your home page, depending on your home page setup, or through the Requested Items module. Here we see that the laptop has been approved and is in the order fulfillment stage, which could take up to 4 days. If your instance is set up with a service portal, you can also submit and track requests this way. Service portals provide an intuitive interface for end users to access specific platform components. Here's how we get to the Service Catalog within the Service Portal. The same categories are here, and the same items. For example, Here's the external keyboard we ordered earlier. Here, we don't have to go back to the main catalog level to search the whole service catalog. In fact, this search brings up results from other areas of the service portal, including the knowledge base. This is how we navigate among parts of the order guide. We can access our cart here. It's empty because we already submitted our order through the service catalog. And we can track our requests here. This list includes both incidents and requested items. Here are the requests we made earlier through the service catalog. We can check the status of items here. Because the service portal opened in a new browser tab, we just close it when we're done. For more information, please consult our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community. For cost-effective training solutions, contact ServiceNow Education Services.